What's going on? I'm gonna do a quick unboxing from eBay. Alright, so you are on the Rode Video Micro, and we are using the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Alright, finally got it open. What's in the box? It's pretty much this foam stuff which I could reuse for packing, and there you go. There you go. Coleman 4D 6-volt battery pack. Now I've ordered this a while back. I just barely opened it because I wanted to do a video. Still good. It is used. You could tell by some debris inside, but so far so good. Now I remember reading that this is a weak point in the design, so you got to be very careful with these battery packs. Noise alert. Alright, so why did I buy that battery pack? So if you remember from a previous video, I was talking about my Coleman CPX Duo LED lantern, I think was the name, which is this guy here. CPX 6 compatible. So just a refresher, so this lamp is part of the CPX 6 line, which was a new line Coleman made, but the battery packs that were supposed to be rechargeable, these right here, were really no good. They wouldn't hold a charge after being depleted, after being charged once, used, and if you let it die out, it wouldn't recharge anymore. I have another whole video about this Coleman lantern here, but brief summary. So this lantern, I would say it was useless because I couldn't use a rechargeable battery. The only thing that saved this was it having its own rechargeable batteries in the separate panels after they're removed. Noise alert. So on this lantern, just as long as you had the panels, some have 4 panels, I don't know if it works on that, but mine have 2. Just as long as you have the rechargeable batteries in those panels, you can utilize this red rechargeable battery pack to charge the batteries inside the panels. Mine there's 2, so the 2 panels. To remedy that, I was in the market for a battery pack or something that had a battery that was broken, maybe a lantern or a pump, part of the CPX 6 line that was selling for parts, and I could just snag the battery. But unfortunately, they were charging a lot. But I did end up with this. Is a newer version of a LED lantern. It is CPX 6 compatible. This did come with the battery pack. Now, like I said on the other video, the whole line was discontinued, so it wasn't just an easy answer of, hey, let me just buy all these 4D 6-volt battery packs. They stopped making them, and whoever had the Coleman CPX 6 accessories realized that as well, and they probably bought them all out. I remember seeing old ads from it, and they were like $10, $15 at Walmart, sometimes on sale. So only way to get one of these packs was new old stock or someone selling one used, which is what I did. So I did that. because I'm not gonna say I was tired of charging this the special way, but it was very inconvenient. So I'm gonna take that guy out. Just gonna use it to probably initially charge the item before a camping trip, but have this one with fresh batteries just to have it ready after that one dies out. Not even if this one dies out, because this never holds a charge when the batteries inside the panels die out. Now, I've been camping and I have not had those panels, the batteries in those panels die out, so I'm assuming, knock on wood, they last pretty long. But yeah, like I said, I try to keep my Duo charged in case of an emergency, blackout, or just need light with this guy here. But like I said, I don't know if the batteries actually will hold in that one, so having this is pretty convenient. I'll have a full pack of batteries in that, or not a full pack, but fully charged batteries, and I can just throw that into the lantern and it'll power up the LED Duo. Say that 5 times. Alright, so this is the other one, so I can technically take this and swap it out, whichever one I want to use. So yeah, like I said in the other video, it was my remedy or my workaround to the CPX6 line. So if you're watching this video, hopefully you can score one of these if you want to bother with this lantern line or accessory line. If not, probably just get something else out there. It's probably even cheaper, but I would just commit it after a while. I just made it a kind of a project to try to get my CPX6 line working again. So yeah, so the red battery, rechargeable, that was supposed to, on paper it seemed pretty good, but in reality it didn't work out too well. Way to solve that is try to get one of these. Alright, just an update on that video from a couple of months ago. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.